Here's a fucking serious stink in here.
Did you go to the game last night?
How are you?
It was very close at the end.
1-1.
Hold there.
Excuse me.
So I said to this
What
guy,
happens if you put off a door and then you tap on the door? What does that mean?
I'm pretty sure. Do I live here, sure?
I'm pretty sure you can all fuck
Can we
off.
all take a step back? Can we all take a step back? Do I live here? I live here, don't I? Yeah, I paid for this, don't I?
Yeah, 100%.
Oh yeah.
That's never try.
Oh, no.
No.
I didn't do that. Someone must have put the door off.
You take one a day, 2 a day, or 3 times a day.
I keep the door off that jelly.
No. If tonight ends, I'll be so disappointed.
How are you, Brady?
If tonight ends, I will actually go around with a rope and a wobbly stool and like, where am I going to hang this for the next 4 hours?
Right, well, see you later, lad.